Hello guys, welcome back to Cadastrophe, and today we are draw this simple 3D exercise in SolidWorks 2023. So let's begin. First of all, go to new and select part. OK. Now go to sketch and from sketch select front plane and make two circles from origin. 1, 2 and give dimensions, which is one is 28 mm and another one is 18 mm. OK. Now go to feature extrude and here select midplane and from midplane give dimension 35 mm. OK. Again go to right plane, sketch and select circle, make two circles. Give dimension, one is 15 mm diameter and another one is 9 mm diameter. OK. And from origin its distance is 26 mm. Fine. See our drawing now underdefined. It's because you have to give relations from this point to this origin. Make relation vertical. See, our drawing is now fully defined. And go to feature, extrude it up to 19 mm. OK. Now again go to right plane, sketch and select this outer circle, convert entity. Now select line command and from here to this point, from here make some depth for a step and here. OK. Now give some relations. This and this circle is relation tangent and again this circle and this line give relation tangent, and you can give here one dimension 0.5 mm. OK. This extra line, it's because you can see here some step, you can see here this step is 0.5 mm. OK. Now go to feature and extrude from midplane, extrude it up to 5 mm. Select this plane. OK. Now go to front plane, sketch and select one line and again from here to here. OK. Select this circle, make convert entity and trim this extra portion. OK. Now give dimension, this is 0.5 mm and give one relation, this line and this line, make tangent. OK. See, our drawing is fully defined. Now go to feature and from rip command give rip distance is 5 mm both side. OK. See, our drawing is ready. So thank you guys. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe.